आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so hello everyone. Now this question over here says that some oxidation reactions of methane are given below. So we have to tell which of them is our controlled oxidation reactions. So let us begin with the solution. So we know that if we are trying to oxidize any element or any substance, then it will oxidize to its maximum oxidation state. But that can be controlled by changing certain conditions. For example, let me write adding poison. Poison basically slows the reaction or stops the reaction. It is an opposite of catalyst. Basically, it is a type of catalyst, but catalyst promotes the reaction, it stops the reaction. So we can do that, or change the conditions of reaction. For example, let me write change the conditions of reaction. For example, increase or decrease the temperature. So let me write temperature, pressure, etc. So we can do these things to control the oxidation reaction. So let us see these reactions and see where in which of the conditions we have used some of these things to control the reaction. So the first one is CH4 plus 2O2 giving us CO2 plus 2H2O. So we can clearly see that carbon is at its maximum state, that is +4, and we haven't used any such poison or such physical condition changing where we have tried to control this reaction. So this is a fully oxidation reaction without any controlled oxidation reaction. That means this is the wrong answer. Now the B part is CH4 plus O2 giving us C plus 2H2. So over here we can also see that there is no such control be used. We haven't used any poison or any physical changes has been done in the temperature or pressure. That means this is also wrong. Now in the C part we have CH4 plus O2 giving us formaldehyde, that is HCHO plus H2O. So over here this is a controlled reaction. Let me write this is a controlled reaction, because we can clearly see that we have used MO2O3 as a poison, and we know that if we wouldn't have used this, then let me write this HCHO, that is formaldehyde, would have converted to formic acid, that is HCOOH, that is its highest oxidized state. So over here we can say that we have controlled this oxidation state by adding MO2O3. Now let us look at the last option, that is CH4 plus O2 in the presence of copper at 523 Kelvin and 100 atmosphere, giving us CH3OH. So definitely we can very clearly see that we have controlled this reaction, because this has only stopped at alcohol. This has not even gone up to the aldehyde as in the C option. This has only stopped at alcohol, and this can go up to the maximum oxidation state of acid. So this is also controlled. Let me write. This is also controlled, and we have controlled it by changing the pressure atmosphere and adding Cu. So from here we can say that option C and option D are correct. So with this we complete our solution. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।